I just gotta sit on the floor. Hello up there.
Someone once told me the grass is much greener on the other side.
Hey there, it's Virginia. Welcome back to my channel. So it has been a hot minute since I've uploaded. I think it's been about a month and a half since I have made a video. The reason for that is, one, I was just finishing up school. Got that 4.0, which I don't even know if I ever got a 4.0 in high school, so I'm very proud of myself. And then when summer started, I got a job, so I've been spending most of the time at my job, making some money. Also, part of the reason that I haven't been uploading is just the fact that I filmed a video like in late May and there was so much footage in it that I just kept putting off editing it because I knew that it would take a long time. So I just put it off until like last week, but I finally uploaded that video. It's on my second channel and it's little like room transformation of like a playbill wall because I love musical theater, so I have quite a collection of programs and playbills. I'm not going to show you what that looks like. You'll have to go over to my second channel and watch that video if you want to. I'll have it in the iCard. Today's video, of course, I'm doing a thrift haul, and I actually haven't really been thrifting that much, even though like states have started to reopen, but I did go a couple times just to like get things that I needed. So this video is a combination of clothes that I actually bought at the thrift store and clothes that are things that I thrifted from my family members. In the past, I've just like held up the item and then like did a try on in a separate clip, but I think I've seen some people do this, and this may just be a one-time thing, but I'm gonna like try on the clothes and then talk through it while I'm wearing the clothes, just because it's really tedious to edit in the clip of me wearing the clothes. So maybe I'll go back to that, I don't know, but I'm trying something new today. So here we are. I'm gonna get started with the stuff that I thrifted from my family members. First thing I have is for my mom. It's just this scarf. It's like an infinity scarf. And I haven't ever really worn scarves for fashion because I had a uniform up until college, so I never like, I don't know if like scarves are in style anymore, but I figured, you know, it was free, like I didn't need to like buy it or anything. So I guess I'll see if I'll wear it like this coming fall and winter, which I know is kind of a ways off. But I just figured I would see if I'd wear it, and if I don't, I can just donate it. Item number 1. The next item is this t-shirt, and I'm covering up my old school's name on here, but this is actually, it used to be my brother's. It's a size large, but I just really liked that it had I think these are like called St. Peter's keys, but this is like the logo of the Catholic Church, and I think it's like such a cool design. It looks like this is like an old camp shirt, but I just really liked the design. And on the back it has a Bible verse, so it's like, I don't know if this is something I would wear like as a fashion statement or just like around the house, but I just really liked the logo, I guess. And it's a size large. And if I were to style this in an outfit, I would do so with some like high-waisted jeans, roll up the sleeves a tad. It's a popular style to just do oversized t-shirts with like high-waisted jeans, and that's how I would style this. This next t-shirt that I have is also a size large, and the reason I'm showing you just how it fits normally is because I feel like a lot of thrifting YouTubers don't do that, like they'll automatically style clothes. But you know, on the rack or even on your body, a piece of clothing may not look right or look good until you actually style it, and I just wanted to like point that out because I think it's really misleading. I don't think it's meant bad by anyone, but I always look at that and I think I don't look like that when I try on clothes, and it's because they don't make it look like they're actually trying on clothes, they make it look like they're modeling. So this is what this large t-shirt looks like on me. It looks really funny, but when I roll up the sleeves and I tuck it in, it'll look a lot cuter. So this is how this t-shirt would look if I styled it with anything. It's just a navy blue t-shirt, and it says "Visit beautiful Woodbury, Georgia, a bitter-free community," and it has like a little wagon on it. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna keep this just because I already have so many t-shirts, but I thought that this was something, you know, really pretty. I actually have no idea when my brother got this, because I don't ever remember going to Woodbury, Georgia. I don't ever remember him going to Woodbury, Georgia, so kind of confused, but I just thought the design was pretty. And I think it's cool to have t-shirts from like different places that don't look too touristy, you know? So this is kind of touristy, but I haven't actually been there, so. And then the first pair of pants that I thrifted are these old jeans from my mom. These are actually her old like gardening jeans, and that's why there's a hole in them, not because of like fashion or anything, just because she gets down on her knees and she gardens like any chance she can get. These jeans are by whatever this brand is. I've never really heard of it before, but you know, there's a little patch there. And these are pretty beat up. You can see they're honestly coming apart at the seams a little, like there's a little hole there. There's paint on them, there's holes. They're even like a little baggy for me, like they fit at the waist but not so much at the legs. So what I'm planning to do is to thrift flip these and cut these into shorts. And then because they are so beat up, I'm thinking about turning these into like patch jeans. I've seen a lot of cool images on Pinterest where people will just put patches onto their jeans. I think it would be really cool to be able to like designate these pairs of shorts by putting some patches on it, because that would obviously like kind of help cover up any holes or any imperfections that were on them. Yeah, I'm really excited. Hopefully I'll have a thrift flip with these coming soon. And by soon I mean like sometime in the next month, not like next week or anything. So the next pair of pants that I have is this pair of like white capri leggings. These are by the brand Athena Marie. And these were originally $68. I am certain my mother did not pay that price for them though. And they're just kind of like capri leggings. They have this little cross detail on the bottom. They're just nice white leggings. And they're brand new. I also got this pair of shorts from my mom. The brand is Liz Claiborne and they fit me high-waisted, although they are kind of loose. Like they'll fit around my waist, but they're loose around my butt and my thighs. And they're also like mid-thigh length, which is kind of an awkward length. And they're, like I said, they're kind of loose. So I'm not sure if I'm thrift flip these and maybe just cut off a little bit more, because I have tried rolling them and it looks really funny inside because there's so much fabric right there. So it's like I might cut these into shorter shorts just because I couldn't walk around with so much like fabric cuffed right here. But yeah, another pair of shorts for free. And these are really comfortable because they're not like too tight or anything. So it is really nice. They have nice big pockets and they aren't beat up like the other jeans are. Next, I'm moving on to the things that I've actually gotten from the thrift store. So the next several things are pairs of camo pants, because that's like my uniform at my job. You'd think I work at Bass Pro Shop, but I just work at a restaurant and for some reason we wear camo. So I got these. The dressing rooms at the thrift store are not open up again, and I couldn't find any camo pants in the girls section, so these are literally like boys husky pants. They fit me, but they're so awkward because they're like high waters that are bell bottoms. It's like super weird. So the way I've been styling them, which of course like I don't really care how cute I look at work, but I don't want to look like I have bell bottom capris. I've just folded in the extra and just cuffed them a few times so they look a little bit more like capris instead of high waters. Of course that look doesn't always work, but so these are Wrangler, and I do like the extra pockets. I don't know that I'd ever wear these like outside of work, but they do the job there. I really do appreciate having this extra little pocket. These were $3.99 and I literally tried these on over my jeans at the thrift store and like walked around wearing black like long skinny jeans underneath these, and it looked super funny, but you know, they work. Next pair of camo pants that I have are these like capri leggings. These were $3.99 and actually had the original tag on them. They were originally $7, so I'm betting these are from Dollar General. They're not like amazing quality, they're pretty thin, but you know, like I said, they do the job and they just work as a work uniform. The next pair of leggings that I have are actually like more traditional colored camo, and these are actually super high-waisted and they're not super short at the bottom. And they're really soft. I got these for $2.59, which is a pretty good deal. They're actually super comfortable, so I might actually like wear these somewhere outside of work, like around campus one day if I got up the courage to wear camo. These and the Wrangler pants are from a store called Southern Thrift, and the last one was from Goodwill. But yeah, these are like actually super soft and I do quite love them. I also got a couple more things from Southern Thrift that I'm not going to be trying on, but I did just want to show that I got a couple of bathing suits because I really needed these. I genuinely didn't have any that fit me. And this bathing suit is just a one piece from the brand Cupshe, And both of the bathing suits that I got were brand new, and I got both of them for $9, so I think that it's a pretty good deal. This one is just like pink, green, and blue, and it has like cross straps in the back and an open back. So this is the first one. Like I said, $9, which is more than I normally spend on something at the thrift store, but these were brand new and I'll be able to get a lot of wear out of them. The next one I got is not by the brand Cupshe. This one I think was by the brand Holly Pick, and it's just a plain black one piece. It's also a cross strap in the back, and it has a couple of pieces of fabric that wrap around and that you tie in the back. And I really like this one just because it fits really well, and it's plain black. I really like it. And then the next several things are actually from Goodwill, but they don't really have price tags on them because I got them at a big warehouse sale from like Goodwill in downtown Nashville. It was like they just had so much stuff because everybody was like donating after quarantine that they just put all these stuff in like big bins, and you could get everything in your cart for $25. And there really weren't any clothes there, mostly like home decor, and I'm actually going to have a separate thrift haul with all of like the items that I got there because I got a lot of really cool stuff. But I did actually find a few clothing items, so I'm gonna show those now. And the first one is actually so lucky. It's another pair of camo pants, and these are great because they're not actually leggings, and they have pockets like in the back and in the front. They have this little like it's kind of elastic waistband, but I think these are also boys pants, so they're like not, I don't need to like drawstring them at all. These are also things that I might like actually wear around campus because they're literally like, they're a pretty solid pair of pants. They're not too short. They're pretty comfortable and will definitely be good like in the colder months. They'll definitely keep me warm. But it was just like absolute luck that we found some more camo pants that fit me because we couldn't try them on. But the next clothing item I got there was this size large LL Bean like black windbreaker jacket. And I don't know that I would actually wear this because it is a size large, but this is definitely something that like my dad or brother or even my mom would like throw on before we like went out and walked our dog if it was like a colder day. So I just got this because, you know, LL Bean, it's a nice jacket. And it's just a plain black windbreaker. Ooh, and it does have pockets with zippers on them, including this one up here in case you, I don't know, want to put like a tissue here. I don't know. What do people put in breast pockets like in modern day? Like I don't think, do people really use them that often? The next thing I got was this sheer shirt from Forever 21, and like I said, we couldn't try stuff on, so I didn't really know how it would fit, but I liked the concept of it, so I got it to see if I would like it. And honestly, it kind of looks silly on. I think it would look better if the seam for the flowing was like underneath the bust. And I don't know, I kind of look like a cheap Halloween costume witch, but I might just keep it just for the fabric because it does have really nice flowy fabric. So don't think I would like style this at all. I don't really know. It's really just like not flattering where the seam hits. But I figured I would show it just because it's a cute-ish concept. But yeah, I don't know. And then the last article of clothing I have for this thrift haul and that I got at that Goodwill warehouse sale is this red maroon sweater. This is by the brand White Stag, and it's a size small. And I have wanted a sweater of this color for so long. I just think this is like the perfect fall and winter color. And I will be honest, this is not like super flattering, but it's for like a day that I want to wear a sweater and be warm. This will be perfect. Of course, I won't get much wear of this until the winter and fall months, but when those do come around, I will be so excited to wear this. I think this is like a perfect like Christmas sweater or something like that because of like the red. I don't know. I'm a very color driven person, so. Those are all the clothes that I'm showing. I hope this video turned out well. Like I said, this was like a new way of filming a thrift haul for me. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're new and you want to see more videos from me, you can subscribe down below. Like I said, I'm going to have another video coming of all the things and home decor that I got at the warehouse sale because I got a lot of cool stuff and honestly like a lot of like DIY supplies because that's something that I just really like to do and I really want to be doing that some more going forward. Also related to that, watch out for a thrift flip at some point this summer because I have had clothes for so long that I want to thrift flip, and you'll also see me cut these jeans into shorts in that video. That's all I have to say. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!